Hello guys, in today's video I'll teach you guys how to make a simple drop down using HTML and CSS. So let's get started. So firstly we're going to open a div over here, and this div is going to have a class of drop down. Then next go and create a button here, and this button is going to have a class. Okay, let us leave the button like that without a class. Then let's call this button drop down, and we're going to come down here inside this div. Then we're going to say div, and this second div is going to have an ID of drop down content. And in here we're going to create an a tag. Then this one's going to be something like home, and next going to duplicate this couple of times, maybe 4 times. And this second one is going to be about us, and the third one is going to be, let's add something like sign in. This is going to be sign in, and this one is going to be, let's say, log out. Then this last one is going to be FAQ. So that's it for the HTML, guys. So next we're just going to head over to our CSS and add some style to our code. So firstly we're going to grab this dot drop down here. So we're going to say dot drop down, and in here we're going to add a position, and this position is going to be relative. Then we're going to add some like display, and it's going to be inline block. Then next we're going to grab that drop down content from our HTML. So we're grabbing this drop down content. Then we're going to say something like let's say position. This one's going to be absolute. We're going to add a min width, and this min width is going to be 160px. Then next we're going to add something like let's say box shadow. Let's say 1px, 2px, 3px, and lastly this one is going to be 3px. Let's add a color. Let's add gray. Doesn't look too bad, but let's make the color a little bit lighter and go and blend it more. I think that looks better. Then next I'm gonna add something like display. We're going to leave this display for now. We're not going to do anything with it. So let us get down here. Let's say something like drop down content, then a. Let's add a padding. This padding is going to be 13px and 14px. Then next we're going to add something like text decoration. This is going to be none. I think that looks better. So let's come back here and add a padding of 20px. So I'm going to come down here and add something like display, and this is going to be block. Then next what we want to do here next, let's say color, and this is going to be black. So what's the problem? Okay, that's it. I think that looks better now. So what we're going to add next is dot drop down, let's say content a, then hover. This is going to have a background color of, background color, not background. Let's say background color, this is going to be orange red. So let's check that out. Doesn't look too bad, but we've got other color, background color here. Let's say background color, then this is going to be aqua. I think it looks better now. So the next thing we want to do is get down here and add a drop down, hover, then drop down content. Then next we're gonna go ahead and what are we gonna do next? Let's add a display none here. This is gonna be display none now. I think that's gone. Then next what we're gonna do here is add a display, and this is gonna be block. Looks good but not perfect. Now let's go ahead and style our button. Go and save button, then let's add a width to that button. Let's add a width of 250 px. That's too much. Let's make it 200. I think that looks better. So we're gonna add a height. This height is gonna be 50 px. That doesn't look too bad, but let's add a border. This border is gonna be none. I don't like those ugly borders. So next thing we're gonna do is add a border radius. Border radius is gonna be 30 px. Then next we're gonna add a background color, and this is gonna be aqua. Then what we're gonna do next is add a hover to our button. Let's say button hover, and this is gonna be, let's add a background color here. We'll add a background color here, and it's gonna be orange red, not orange. Looks good but not perfect. So next we're gonna add a color here, and this color is gonna be white. I think that looks good, but let's remove this padding. Where is it? This padding. Let's get rid of this. I think this looks better. So that's it for this video, guys. If you really did enjoy this video, please make sure to drop a like, comment. See you next time. Bye.